Hey everyone, welcome back to TriNext. Hi, I'm Sanket, and as a cybersecurity student, today I will explain one of the biggest cyber threats that affects millions of people every day: phishing attacks. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will able to identify and most phishing attempts instantly. Imagine you get a message saying that your bank account will be blocked today. Click this link now. And most people panic, and that's where hacker wins. Every day, more than 3.4 billion fake emails and messages are sent to the people across the world. Some look like bank alerts, some look like job offers, and some look like KYC verification. And the scary part, most of them are the phishing attacks, designed to steal your information without you even realizing it. Next question is, what is exactly phishing attack? Phishing is a cyber attack where hackers pretend to be a trusted person or organization to trick into revealing sensitive information. In the simple words, in the phishing attacks, attacker or hacker create a malicious links and send to the target to steal the sensitive information. This sensitive information like bank login, Aadhaar details, social media passwords, UPI PIN, your bank OTPs, email credential, and many more. Next topic is how phishing works. I want to clarify understand the attacker's process. Step number 1, attackers gather information. They collect your emails, phone numbers, name or social media details. Step number 2, they create a fake identity. This could be look like a bank, a delivery service, a job placement agency, a government portal or a customer support project. Step number 3. In the step number 3, they send a fake message with a text like your KYC has expired, your account will be blocked today, and you have won a reward. Step number 4, they add a trap. This may be a fake link to a clone website, a harmful attachment, a login page, a fake payment request, or a WhatsApp or SMS link. Step number 5, user enter information like passwords, OTP, and UPI PIN, and hackers steal everything instantly. Now, let's take a very common example. You receive a message. Your bank account will be closed today. Click to update KYC. You click the link. It's open a website that's look exactly like your bank's login page. Same logo, same color, same interface. But the moment you enter your username, password and OTP, all information goes directly to the hacker. In the less than 30 seconds, they can log in your account and transfer your all money. Now, the question is how to identify a phishing attacks. Here are the biggest red flags you should always look for. Incorrect sender address, spelling mistake in messages, urgent tone, your account will be blocked, mismatched links, request for personal details, etc. The most important topic of the video, how to protect yourself. You don't need to be a hacker to protect yourself. Just follow these simple steps. Always verify the sender. Never share OTP with anyone. Never. Even if it looks official. Use strong password. Enable two-factor authentication. And most important, check for the HTTP in websites. HTTP is not always safe. A missing lock icon is a red flag. And most important thing, update your device regularly. So, this is everything you need to know about phishing attacks. What they are, how they work, the different types, and how to protect yourself. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I create videos on cybersecurity, programming, technology. This is TriNext. Stay safe, stay secure. See you in the next video.